So there's the barbecue with a big lump of lard in the middle and bacon to lubricate the barbecue. All of this other food is going to go on there, and then Tanya will accuse me of making her eat too much. And in the meantime, we've got this pre-roasted meat to snack on while we wait for the main stuff to cook. And I have no idea what most of this stuff is. It smells good already, but then again, it's bacon. It's about 5 minutes in. You might be able to see the flames just peeping through the top of the barbecue there. Tanya is over there getting even more food, and the stuff that we've got is a lot of offal. There's tripe, ghastly looking stuff, a couple of dumplings. These are the pre-grilled meat to just get your appetite going. And then I think there's a lot of bacon, liver maybe, something white. I had brain soup the other night, so I hate to think what this is going to turn out to be. And healthy vegetables to go in the soup, which is this moat of bubbling liquor around the main part of the barbecue. And it looks as though Tanya is just ladling on massive scoops of stuff over there. I think she just made a papaya salad or something. So we're both going to be Pumpoy Mac after this. I'm already in. Yeah, she's got a massive plate of stuff. At least the beer's familiar. Oh, should I have turned it? Oh, apparently I should have turned it. Good job, we've got about a pound of bacon to go on there. Oh well, we'll come back later. Looks as though there's more bacon to be fried. I don't know when the other 10 people are going to arrive to eat all this. Busy lady. Okay, so yeah, I'll have some vegetables, please. What is this gonna be? Ah, too hot.
Yes, we can report too hot.
Popcorn cup.
Hot นะคะสักหน่อย
See, all the greens are stewed in the broth from the meat. And I think we eat the broth as well. Well, we'll be back after the first course. Well, there's been ham, bacon, sausage, tripe, unidentified strips of collagen. I think I've had that Mark Wiens moment where he says, I think that's the intestines. And the broth does make this soup very tasty. And these weird mushrooms are delicious. They've really soaked up the very light herbal flavour from all of this greenery that's been cooked in the broth. And that salad over there, Tanya made that at the salad station, tom yum. Mac.
อะไรสั่งหน่อย
Hello.
อะไรสั่งหน่อย
And obviously I'm going to have a burst intestine of my own later on at this rate. And it is absolutely boiling here. And that barbecue thing is full of charcoal. That will keep burning all night. We've got a massive fan blowing straight at us and it is just stinking hot. Speaking of which, this sauce, this stuff, chili sauce, absolutely liquid fire. And it's just normal to Thai people, you wouldn't eat anything without it. On the dumplings are just solid pieces of starch. Don't know if it's going to focus on there. But it's all excellently cooked, I have to say. Tanya has been very busy, really taking care of it all. Delicious. It's just a shame the other rugby team didn't turn up to eat the rest of it. More on the plate. So we've demolished it,
อร่อย
more or less. Tanya's cleaned up some of the plates. The next thing is the fruit course for dessert, which I don't know if I can manage, but I'll just film the fruit and all the other stuff so you can see what is laid out at this place, which obviously you just go collect and prepare it yourself. ice cream.
Sang nói.
Thank you very much, chef. So that was Pattaya Noyan Kaoli, formerly RE Noyan Kaoli, as featured on NDTV, but they've changed the name now. Same place, near the Hollywood Disco, and the bill came to 770 baht for a huge amount of food, a large chang, and about a litre of Coca-Cola. So, good night out, and thanks again, chef.
Sang nói.